what's going on? Marissa here. Super excited to be making this video. I did not plan on making this video. I'm just doing it because I was feeling inspired, motivated, whatever you want to call it. So I'm not somebody who watches a lot of TV. I'm somebody constantly online. My mind's constantly thinking about my business. Also, a lot of my time is spent with my teammates, helping them grow with their online businesses and things like that. But everybody has a little TV show they like to watch, right? One show I love to watch is Shark Tank. So I will watch that. When the episode I was watching was over, I went back to my room, checked my phone, saw that I made $254. That's day 3 of really implementing what I've been talking about with the system I have been talking about, Funnel Express. So if you've seen my previous emails, you'll know that this is, like I said, day 3, and that is now over $1,000 in 3 days. I gotta say it, like I was literally watching a TV show, just chilling, and that hits my Stripe account. I have those moments where I just get really excited and I'm just like, I can't believe this is actually happening. Like, passive income is real. It can be done. And to me, what boggles my mind is I am just like you. I'm an average person. I'm not somebody special. I don't have any more talent than somebody else, or than you. This also gets me excited because if you're watching this video, you are on the right path. You understand that there is other ways to make money than the traditional ways we've been taught growing up. No matter what financial situation you're in, like I said, whether you already make a decent amount of money at your job, you're paying the bills, you live pretty comfortably, you can do a few things, you can have some fun time every month or whatever, but you want that time freedom. If you really want that time freedom and you know how to follow instructions and you really want to create passive income, whether it is to just have another stream of income on top of whatever you're doing, or to completely eventually leave a job that you're already in and do this stuff full time like I'm doing, Funnel Express would complement the mindset you already have coming into this stuff. And again, that's 3 days of really implementing the training I have been bragging about within Funnel Express, using that first stream of income in the system called Leaderboard Affiliate. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can email me and I'll, you can say, Marissa, break this down a little bit more, or go back into some of my other emails and click on those links and you'll see me explain it. Maybe you haven't seen some of those explanation videos. The fact that in Funnel Express, you have multiple streams of income that you can promote using one sales funnel that David Dekel, the creator of Funnel Express, has already put together for you. All you have to do is market your affiliate link. And don't worry, step-by-step training is provided not only in the system, but when you join me, I'll go above and beyond, teaching, guiding you in the right direction for you to be successful with the system. If you're watching this video this far, this means something, because I'm gonna tell you right now, most people have the attention span of a goldfish. I know that you're serious about wanting to make a change for your life now. All you have to do is take that first step. If you set things up the way I set them up with my particular system, you can get paid out instantly. I literally teach people how to do that. You don't have to make your own website, don't have to create your own sales funnel. One is already created for you. And even though I kind of pride myself on being able to create my own little sales funnels and own little sites and things like that, to be honest with you, Funnel Express's sales funnel that they already have for us, I tested them against mine that I created, and literally they convert a little higher than mine. So that's saying a lot. Usually systems that are already out that have sales funnels, that you can just plug into, I've found, at least in my experience with other things I've been a part of, they convert, but not the way I know how to get things to convert if I create the sales funnel myself. So the fact that David has done an amazing job creating something that actually converts is amazing. And that's the reason why when you actually follow the training inside Funnel Express, and again, in other videos I show inside the system, maybe you want to go back into some emails and look at those. And I think probably the biggest reason why I'm so excited about this is I really like promoting this. And the reason why is because I actually think there's real value. I've been a part of systems that convert, but the training you get or the value people are getting, it's just not very good. I've been on both sides of the equation of that story. So the fact that I feel so confident in, letting people know about it so they can invest in it and invest in their education, and also being able to earn while they learn with this system is a huge thing for me. The fact that I love doing that. There's not very many systems I can actually say that about. If you're confused on what happens, how you get started, when you click that button, you'll get taken to a process where everything is explained. So if you actually have a little bit of patience, you have about 30 minutes of time to work, kind of just block out for setting up your system and everything like that, you can get started literally in less than 30 minutes. So that's it. Talk to you later. I can't wait to work with you.